Hi guys, do you know that the Igbo people swept the entire African Magic Viewers Choice Award on Sunday? They swept the entire award. They won every category. Best Actor, Best Actress, Tribeza, Merit Award, Best Supporting Actress. They won everything. They pack everything. They didn't leave anything behind. Nollywood is back to its original owners, back to the pioneers of Nollywood, the Igbos. You know, the Igbos are the pioneers of Nollywood, the originators. Igbo kwenu. Period. Igbo people are not just the originators of Nollywood. They have carried Nollywood in their back for decades, for years. All the whole popular movies, you know, all the whole popular Aki and Popo, Sophia, Things Fall Apart, Billionaires Club, they were all acted and produced by Igbos. Igbos have carried Nollywood in their back for years, and they deserve every accolade they are getting. That word Igbo is the equivalent to success. Igbo amaka, Chineke. If I was